Hello guys, this is your Misty again, Misty Home Cooking. Today gagawa po tayo ng estofado. So we're gonna start with soy sauce po. Half a cup. This is regular soy sauce. And this is 64 ounces of water, because we make sure the pork is gonna get tender. It looks like a lot now, but it's like I said, we have to tenderize the meat. And we're gonna put some black pepper. Actually, we have a peppercorn. You can also use the peppercorn, but this is a coarsely ground black pepper. So 1 teaspoon, we can add later. We can add more later if you wanted to. Bayleaf. Let's put about 3 leaves. We don't want to put too much bayleaf. We make it bitter. And instead of star anise, we're gonna put 5 spice powder. Okay, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon. You can put chili flakes right now or later, but right now we're just gonna let this boil. Okay, that's it for now. Let it boil about 15 to 20 minutes. Cover it and we'll check it again. Alright guys, let it boil. Okay guys, after 30 minutes, nag-reduce na yung water. So, and also I added some oyster sauce, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. We're gonna add some brown sugar na. I'll put 3 tablespoons right now. Halo natin. And this is actually banana blossom or lily flower, dry one. You can buy that at Asian store. If you don't have it, I mean, you don't have to put it, but it's nice to have this flavor, the smoky flavor. So just let it boil for about 5 minutes, and we're going to add our fried saba. Another word for it here in the States is burro, and I lightly brown the this is a potato, russet, or any potato that you have. Any potato will do. We'll add that in a couple of minutes. No, actually, you know what, since this is just lightly brown and it's still hard, I'm gonna put it right now and let it cook. Okay, so let it give it about 5 to 10 minutes, because you put the potatoes, so it's gonna take longer. Okay guys, so let's check it out again. Cover it again. I'm gonna put the temperature to medium high. Okay. Okay guys, let's adjust the seasoning. It's getting thick now, so you need more black pepper. We put 1 teaspoon earlier, so I'm gonna put another teaspoon. And also it needs more of the 5 spice powder. We did put a tablespoon earlier, so I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon again, so it's total of 1.5 teaspoon. Okay, the sugar, it's enough for me. It's not too sweet. You know, it's not upfront, so you kind of know that there's sugar there, but it's not as sweet. But we're gonna put the fried banana, so that's gonna give it more like a sweet flavor to the dish. So put in high temperature. Yeah, it's pretty much done, guys. 5 more minutes. This is our estofado with 5 spice seasoning. Yum. Perfect with rice. The potato. Oh yeah, they're good. But let's taste it. Mmm. Yum. A little bit, I can taste the salt up front because I guess it's the oyster sauce. I kind of get carried away with the oyster sauce. But you put less oyster sauce instead of, I think I put 4 tablespoons. Let me get a 2 tablespoons. Or also reduce the salt. It's up to you, you know. You flavor your dish the way you like it to taste. So this is just an idea how to cook my estofado, guys. So yeah, this is it. So the banana is ripe anyway, so they're soft. So what I'm gonna do is cover it, turn the stove off, and let it sit. I'll give it about, cool it down, and I'm gonna plate it with rice, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and try my estofado with 5 spice. This is your Misty Home Cooking. Thank you, guys. Next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye-bye. There you go, guys. This is our finished estofado recipe. So hope you guys try this recipe. It's really delicious, and we have a lot of leftover for tomorrow.